Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Pasuporta lang po sa channel natin and don't skip the video ads. Salamat po. July 5 Friday, meron tayong 7 races starting at 5 p.m. Shout out kay Leo De Lemos, Celestino Abeo, Sinaida Lopez, Jesus Scott, Adelio Calingo, Dino Marcelo Rain, at saka kay James 4670. Update lang tayo nung mga karera na Tuesday and Wednesday. 7 out of 7 yung dalawang karerang nagdaan. Nakatapat lang. Yung pambawi nung last week na hindi maganda yung score natin. Natapat lang yung ating mga GIA for Tuesday and Wednesday. Race number 1. 1,400 meters. Meron tayong 8 runners but 7 in betting option. Solo ko na to, yung part-time lover. Nag-barrier to June 23. Napakainam ng preba. 1.24.8 sa 1.4. Nakapermis lang yung sakay nito. Solo na po sa race number 1, yung Uno part-time lover. Going to race number 2, 1,200 meters, 8 runners. First choice ko rito, numero 5, Justifiable. June 26, na segundo to kay Andrews Bet. May 115.2 sa 1,200 meters. Second choice, Munich. Naglaban na sila ni Justifiable. Nanalo siya no February 13. At tercero, segundo si Justifiable. Tercero si Golden Buzzer. Nagpreba si Munich ng 116.2 sa 1,200 meters. Third choice, Private Dining. May 115.62 nung nanalo nung April 3. Tinalo si Celebrity. So, dito sa karera ng race number 2, 5, Justifiable. First choice. Second choice, Munich. Numero 4. At Private Dining, yung third choice. 543 sa race number 2. Going to race number 3, 1,400 meters, 11 runners but 10 in betting option. First choice ko rito, maganda yung tinakbo nung nakaraan, Family Affair. June 23, na segundo to kay Ayuda. May 128 flat sa 1,400 meters. Second choice ko, yung couple entry, High Honors, June 26, pang-apat kay Work From Home. May 1.29. At yung couple entry niya, Cassis King, June 14. Na pang-5 naman to kay Player Andre, may 128.8. Couple entry, may panalo pareha, High Honors at Cassis King. Third choice ko, numero 8, Piece of Cake. Segundo naman kay Carried Away no June 22, may 128.6 sa 1,400 meters. 11, 3, and 8 ako sa race number 3. May panalo rin naman dito sila Extra Addition tsaka Everyday Black kung kursunada ninyo. Going to race number 4, 1,200 meters. Meron tayong 8 runners. First choice ko rito, sumobra ng baba. Sundance, June 23, panlima to kila Ayuda. Second choice ko na rin, Time Traveler, June 25. Nanalo to over Victorious, may 129.2. So, dito sa race 4, dalawa lang ang pili ko. 4, Sundance. Sana ilaban ng koneksyon. At yung 5, Time Traveler. Kalaban lang nito yung koneksyon, yung 4. Angat na sa laban. 4 and 5 ako sa race number 4. Going to race number 5, 1,400 meters. Meron tayong 9 runners. Yung tatlong entry dito, naglaban na yung June 14. Nanalo rin si Take a Chance, na segundo si Fast Sailing, nagpreba ng 126.8. Tercero si Wolfgang, nagpreba ng 127.2. At panlima naman si Work From Home, nagpreba ng 127.6. First choice ko rito, Fast Sailing, 9. Second choice ko, Only Bird, June 28. Panlima kay Runway 10, 129.8. At third choice ko yung Work From Home. Maganda rin yung panalo na ito nung last outing niya. So dito sa race number 5, 9, 5, and 7. Going to race number 6, ultimate race natin, 1,200 200 meters, may 7 runners. First choice ko, Moon Island. June 9, pang-apat ko kila Destiny, Piece of Cake, at iShot. Alam ko nating bang din to last outing niya last week. At panigundo ko na rin dito yung Barayong. Horse to beat dito, Moon Island, malalimado to. Barayong, second choice, June 28, tercero kay Isaiah, may 130.2. So dito sa race number 6, 3, and 1, Moon Island, tsaka tong Barayong. Going to race number 7, 1,400 meters. Meron tayong 12 runners but 11 in betting option. Anybody's race. First choice ko rito yung Tres, Badabing. June 23, na tercero to kay Carmeras Lab. Segundo rin yung Deonia Leon siya. Nagpreba siya ng 127.2. Second choice ko rito yung Golden Sunrise, June 16. Na tercero naman to kay Batang Cabrera. Nagpreba ng 127.2. At third choice ko na rin yung couple entry, Southern Man. Southern Man, June 19. Segundo to kay Over Assuming. Ang na-tercero si Save My Savings, may 1.13. And then, couple entry niya, Luke Skywalker, June 21. Nanalo to over Enigmatic Linden. Nagprema ng 113.4 sa 1,200 meters. So, dito sa race 7, it's 3, first choice Badabing, 12, Golden Sunrise, at yung 9 couple entry ni Southern Man and Luke Skywalker. So, yun lang para sa karera ng Friday, Biyernes. Pasuporta lang po sa channel natin. After watching the video, please like and share. Ingat lang po sa pananaya. And happy racing. God bless po. Maraming salamat sa inyo.